Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to fix your Uber app not working properly. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store, search for Uber, and make sure Uber is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open and then see if that's fixed the problem. If that didn't fix the problem, the second solution you can try is simply clicking down and holding on the Uber app on your phone. Click on the little I button, information button. And then from here, you want to scroll down. And where it says storage, click on clear cache. And now give that a go to see if your Uber app's going to work properly. If it doesn't, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Uber app on your phone and then signing back in and trying to see if that fixes the problem. Alright, that's 3 solutions to fix your Uber app not working properly. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.